10 desserts you won't believe are actually healthy. 1. Frozen mango, kiwi, raspberry fruit pops. Frozen fruit treats like these pops from Skinny Taste are a great way to beat the summer heat. 2. Apple sauce. Eat it on its own or use it as a topping for other foods. It's best when made with local, in-season apples. 3. Secret fruit salad. Fruit salad is a classic healthy dessert, but this berry-based recipe from Rachel Schultz has a secret. Hint: it's in the dressing. 4. 3-ingredient banana cups. They may look like peanut butter cups, but inside is a banana surprise. These banana cups from my whole food life are both easy to make and a great way to beat a chocolate craving. 5 chocolate banana bites. These frozen treats from Whole Food Bellies are dairy-free and made with unsweetened cocoa powder. Similar to the banana cups, the recipe requires very little work for a very sweet reward. 6.6 Paleo Strawberry Crumble. Yes, you can eat a crumble dessert and stay paleo. This one from Steffi Cooks uses nutrient-rich almond flour to create a crunchy topping. 7. No Bake Energy Bites. These bites are loaded with tasty ingredients such as shredded coconut, peanut butter, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. 8. Flourless Nutella Blender Muffins. Is Nutella really healthy? Well, you certainly could do worse than these muffins from Chocolate-Covered Katie, which can be made with a store-bought or homemade version of the hazelnut cocoa spread. 9 Guilt-Free Chocolate Truffles. Chocolate, especially dark chocolate, can actually fit into a healthy diet plan. These truffles from May I Have That recipe make use of a darker chocolate, almond butter, Greek yogurt, and cocoa powder. 10. Healthy Carrot Cake Oatmeal Cookies. Of course, vitamin A-rich carrots are the main ingredient here. But these chewy cookies from Amy's Healthy Baking also get texture and flavor from ingredients like instant oats, maple syrup, and cinnamon.